For new lawyers, hustling around courts may be tiresome. You have to run around various courts on the same day. Your senior lawyer may inform you at 10:30 that you have to attend a matter in a court at 11 am. And for a second, you are blank because you don't know what the matter is about, at what stage it is, where is the court located, etc. Calm down. You can smoothly tackle such situations. You just have to be prepared. Hi budding lawyers, Prasanna Naidu here. Today I am going to share some tips which will be very helpful, especially for young lawyers. You have to be prepared for all kinds of contingencies once you are in litigation. So here are some tips which will help you in such situations. Don't take it lightly, especially when your boss assigns you a task. Start working on the task given to you. Complete it as soon as possible because there are many more tasks waiting to be allotted to you. Or else you have to wait till midnight and even come to the office next day early morning. Before leaving the office, carry few things with you without fail. I have covered everything regarding this point in a video which you can watch it over here. Plan your travel. Will you go to the office first or directly go to the court? Is anyone going to accompany you? Get answers to such questions because you have to plan accordingly. Use Google Maps to determine the exact location and also the time you will require to reach there by different modes of transport. You can also take help of apps like M-Indicator. If you are self-driving, then check if parking space is available near the court. Usually courts are open to all, but if you have matter in the Supreme Court, then you will need a court pass. So see to it that the court pass is ready. Remember, office staff and court staff are your extended family. You can ask your colleague or clerk if they have been to that court, or have they done the task which is assigned to you right now. Relying completely on technology may not work sometimes, as your colleague or clerk may tell you something which Google cannot. And keeping good relations with court staff will always help. Because inside a courtroom, your colleagues or seniors won't be around you always. But these people will be always there. If the client's presence is necessary in the court on that hearing, then contact your client and make sure he or she is present. Take necessary steps if presence is required and your client won't be able to come. Read the case. At least go through the case brief before leaving for the court. Or utilize the travel time to read the brief. Have a clear idea about the matter. What is going to happen on today's hearing and what submissions you have to make, if any. Ask your colleagues or seniors about it. If you can't, then check the case status on eCourts app or its website. Your senior or colleague may say something like, nothing will happen and a date will be given. So just go there and stand. And most of the times, their predictions are right. But still, I would suggest at least have some information about the case and its current stage. Because if the judge is not in a good mood and you are unable to answer any question he asked regarding the matter, then you may have to go through some humiliation. Find the correct courtroom. After reaching the court, find the courtroom in which your matter is listed on board. Because many times the courtrooms are not arranged in their number sequence. Somewhere near the entrance, you may find a map guiding you about the court complex. Find it. If you can't find, then ask any advocate or court staff for direction to the courtroom. Make sure that you are into the correct courtroom. After reaching the courtroom, check out the court's board, which will be hanging somewhere outside the courtroom. Or you may also get the board on the table which is in front of the judge. Read the board carefully. Matters are usually listed according to their stages. Check out your matter's serial number on the board. Be attentive. Even if your matter's serial number is 53 and number 32 is going on, things may occur differently and you may be confused as to what is happening. For example, it may happen that after 32, directly 53 is called out. Don't be surprised. It may happen because all previous matters were related to the same party, hence were heard collectively. It may also happen that 10-20 matters were called out within 5 minutes because no advocate or party appeared for them. A judge may call out certain type of matter first and then continue with the serial number. Another judge may take up specific type of matters only on a particular day. The working schedule of a courtroom is completely under the discretion of a judge. So just collect such information beforehand. Know your judge. This is one scenario where your contacts come into picture. Through them, get information about the judge. Get answers to the questions like, how is the judge's mood today? Does this judge encourage juniors? What common mistakes make him or her angry? Does he allows or rejects so and so application? Also check out in which language the judge is comfortable. For example, if you are in a trial court and the judge is more comfortable with the local language, then speak that. The last minute check. Check if you have the correct brief and the required documents. If your submissions are going to be long, then write it down on a piece of paper. Highlight relevant points and bookmark relevant pages from the case brief. Keep all of this handy. Talk to your client and make necessary changes in your submissions if needed. If you are assisting and arguing counsel, then keep your brief handy. See to it that there are sufficient copies of the judgments and other orders. Check the notes prepared by you to assist him. These tips will surely help you to kickstart your career in litigation. Just be persistent and gain knowledge not only of law but also of courts and other things. Did I miss any important point here? If I did, then please do write that point in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any videos. Do share this video with your young lawyer friends. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.